How big are you, Isaac? How big are you?
So big.
How big are you? How big are you?
Are you so big? Yeah! Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Yeah. Is that good? Is that yummy? Really? Anything else you want to say? Very nice, dear.
Excuse me?
Isaac, can you wave bye? Say bye. Look at me, not Daddy. Say bye. Can you wave? You got a Cheerio in your hand. He tends to wave. Oh, good, he did both hands. Bye.